Hey YouTube, welcome to Arafat Productions. You already know this is the double exposure tutorial. So before starting this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update. Let's start it. Select subject. If something wrong with selection, manually fix that using Quick Selection tool. Click on Select and Mask. It will open a new workplace. I will use this tool to refine hair. It's look good now. Set the smooth 35. Select new layer with layer mask. On the output option, hit OK. Add a new layer. I will make this layer transparent to white. Put it under this layer. I will take the picture to the corner. I chose this photo to set in on the head. Clip it with the below layer. Add a new layer mask on it. Choose brush tool, then clean those area. After done, I will add a black and white adjustment here. Make a copy of this layer. Unclip it. Delete the layer mask. Add a new layer mask. Invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Selecting the brush tool, I will add those birds to make it more realistic. I will set the scale a little bit bigger. Press Ctrl plus T to transform, then drag this to make it bigger. I will set the background layer color like this. You can easily do it. Select brush tool and hold Alt to take color sample. After done, simply just press Alt plus backspace to change the color. I will brush here a little bit more. It's look great now. You can give more time to make it more beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.